My name is Liudmila. I came from Russia, from Siberian part of our country. I live in Krasnoyarsk, and I'm the owner of educational agency. We are working with the students. We are sending students to study in different countries for language courses, for secondary education, for higher education, and we consult them with their perspectives. We organize their entering the courses and so on. When I first saw the advertising of this course, I decided immediately that I'm going to come. To my great regret, there is not much programs for executives for a shorter period. When a person with not economic background can get enough information how to work in Canada, how to live in Canada, how to start up business. So these topics attracted me, and I decided to go. And I have a lot of clients who wants to send their children to study here and then to follow them. And they need to know this information before they come into Canada. So how to find jobs, how to apply for visas, how to start their own business, if they have money and if they don't have money. To tell the truth, I like the workshop very much, mostly because of the teacher. We had a very good teacher, Mr. Kenneth, and he told us not only theoretical, he gave us not only theoretical knowledge about economics, marketing, management, and that's it. He gave us a lot of advices, and he gave us the look from inside the country, so we can find the differences between our countries, and we could find some solutions for our future, maybe work, maybe for our clients' work here. So it was very very useful for us, I think, for every one of us.
What are some of the opportunities that you think your clients from Russia would be able to have in Canada?
In Canada we have a lot of opportunities. Our students are coming here to take courses and then to apply for a work permit. They can stay for 3 years, and some of their parents who want to, don't want to wait for sponsorship program for them to come to Canada, can come and start working here. So in comparison with our country, the rate of salaries is much greater, I should say, and the way of living, the expenses they are meeting here are quite different, and they are lower. The expenses are lower and the salaries are higher than in our country.